Hello students, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture, I am going to talk about gate. I am going to talk about the MCQ questions on two-port network. So these MCQs will be helpful for gate examination as well as facing some competitive examinations. Okay, so this is the first question: value of Z22. What is the value of Z22? Options may be given, but I'm interested to discuss directly. So we know Z parameter क्या होता है V1. Okay, so just wait, I am going to change my ink. Okay, so Z V1 and V2 voltages are represented in terms of I1 and I2. I1, okay, V11 Z11, Z12, 21 Z21 and 22 Z22. So this is the standard equation of Z parameter. Now, if you write the KVL in loop 1, we know this is the current incoming current I1 and this is again incoming current I2. If you write the equation, so we can say if you write the equation in loop 1, so 2 plus 3, 5 I1 plus both currents in 3 ohm is a common branch, इसमें I1 भी flow हो रहा है और I2 भी flow हो रहा है. So it is downward, it is also downward, plus 3 I2 equal to V1 and loop 2 में क्या होगा 4 plus 3 7 I2 plus 3 I1 equal to V2. If you compare these two equations with this, so you can say Z11 equal to 5, Z12 equal to 3, Z21 equal to 3 and Z22 equal to what? 7. So Z22 equal to 7 ohm. That is the answer they are asking. Okay. So in this way you can find the Z parameter, any one parameter, right? I am rubbing it. Question number 2. Okay. Value of Y12. So again in this problem I'm getting Z11 कितना है 5, Z12 equal to Z21 equal to 3 and Z22 equal to 7 ohm. Now del Z equal to what? Del Z equal to what? Z11 Z22 minus Z12 Z21. Z11 is 5 into 7 minus 3 into 3. So 35 minus 9, 26. What is the value of Y12? We know Y12 equal to क्या होता है? Y12 equal to होता है minus Z12 upon del Z. Right? We know Y parameter Y11, Y12, Y21, Y22. How to find? Equal to what? Z22 Z11 minus Z12 minus Z21 like that. So what is the value of Y12? Y12 equal to this. Y12 equal to what? This equal to minus Z12 upon del Z. Okay, Z12 कितना है? 3. So minus 3 upon 26 mho. That is the answer. Minus 3 upon 26 mho. In this way you can find. Y11 क्या होता है? Y11 equal to Z22 upon del Z. Like that. Okay. Okay. Next, question number 3. Find the value of Z11. So first we have to draw the transform diagram, right? Draw the transform diagram. What is a transform diagram? this will become v1 of s, this will be v2 of s. I am going to take the Laplace transform of this diagram. 1 will be 1, L will be ls, L कितना 2s और C कितना 1 farad. So this will become, C will become 1 upon cs, 1s. Okay, this is called as transform diagram. I am taking the current I1 of s and this is the incoming current I2 of s. So Z11 of s क्या होगा? Z11 of s is 2s plus 1. Z12 is 1, Z21 is 1, Z21 is this plus this, like that. Okay, so Z11 this plus this, 2s plus 1, that is the answer. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to transform, then you will find this. Okay, I am rubbing it. Question number 4. Value of Z12. Value of Z12. Same problem, last problem, Z12 and Z21 will be same, that is 1 ohm. Okay, so Z12 equal to Z21 equal to 1 ohm. Okay, next question number 5. The value of transmission parameter. The value of transmission parameter D. They are asking what is the value of D. Please see here. Transmission parameter क्या होता है? First of all, what is the transmission parameter? V1 and I1. The quantity on the first port will be represented the quantity on the second port, V2 and I2. V2 and I2. और यहाँ ट्रांसमिशन पैरामीटर में यहाँ माइनस साइन है. दिस इज ए बी सी डी. That is the equation, standard equation of transmission parameter, right? Now they are asking the, okay, they are asking the D, value of D. Sorry, they are asking the value of, yes. Now you can see from here this diagram, I1 equal to, can we say minus I2? देखो I1 और I2 will be same, but direction is opposite. So I1 equal to minus I2. Can we say I1 equal to 0 V2 minus 1 I2? Okay, so if you compare these two equations, so can we say D equal to 1? D equal to 1. So I can say D equal to 1, right? C अगर पूछा होता तो what is the value of C? C equal to 0, like that. Okay, anyway, so I'm D equal to 1. Question number 6. Question number 6. The value of transmission parameter A. Oh, okay, A. So again I had to do it. चलो ठीक है. A, V1 and I1 equal to in terms of V2 and I2. This is minus sign is there. V1 equal to V2 in terms of I1, V2 I2, I1 in terms of V2. This is A, B, C, D. Now, so I got I2, I1 equal to what? Minus I2. That is what? I1 equal to what? I1 equal to 0 V2 minus 1 I2. So you got C and D. Now, what is the value of V1 from here, from this diagram? V1 equal to what? V1 equal to, can we say V2? V1 equal to V2 माइनस, यहाँ से यहाँ करंट आ रहा है तो माइनस ड्रॉप कितना होता है? माइनस Z I2. तो यहाँ क्या है? 1 है ना? 1 V2 minus BI2 minus ZI2. So what is the value of A equal to 1? If you compare these two equations, so A equal to what? 1. A equal to 1. B equal to what? Z. So in this way you have to write the equation and compare. ओके, ठीक। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 7। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, which of the following ABCD parameter is unitless? ABCD parameter is unitless. Okay, so अगर आपको ये आंसर अटेम्प्ट करना है, what we have to do, we have to write the equation of parameter, transmission parameter V1 and I1 will be represented in terms of V2 and I2, right? This is minus sign is there, A, B, C, T. V1 in terms of V2 I2, I1 in terms of V2 I2. These are the standard equation of Z parameter. Now A equal to क्या होगा? If port 2 is open, if open मतलब if port 2 is open, so I2 will be 0. ये नहीं है. So A equal to क्या होगा? V1 upon V2, V1 upon V2, that is A. इसका मतलब क्या है? Unitless. So A is unitless. Similarly, if port 2 is short circuited, if port 2 short है तो V2 term 0 होगा, V2 term will be 0. So D equal to क्या होगा? I1 upon I2 minus D equal to, या D equal to minus I1 upon I2. So I1 up, current upon current means no unit. So D is also unitless. So that is the answer. Unitless term दो हैं, A and D. Answer is A is correct, right? A is correct. These are the unitless, right? Next question number 8. Question number 8. Conditions for reciprocity in Y parameter. Condition for reciprocity in Y parameter. So if two port network is said to be reciprocal if the ratio of excitation to the response is invariant, no change. Clear? A two-port network is said to be reciprocal if the ratio of the excitation to the response is invariant, मतलब no change, to an interchange of the position of the excitation and response in the network. इसका मतलब है response और network interchange करें and you are getting excitation response is no change, that is called as reciprocal network, right? ये हम पढ़ चुके हैं. So यहाँ पर कौन सी कंडीशन में रेसिप्रोकल होगा? यस, y12 इक्वल टू y21. अगर एडमिटेंस y12 और एडमिटेंस y21 इक्वल है तो इट इज ए रेसिप्रोकल, राइट? दिस विल होल्ड गुड इफ दिस y12 इक्वल टू व्हाट? y21, like that. Okay, question number 9. Cascade connection of the two-port network is analyzed through ABCD पैरामीटर, Z पैरामीटर, Y, H पैरामीटर. N कैस्केड कनेक्शन है, मान लो एक कनेक्शन ये है, दूसरा कनेक्शन है. कैस्केड का मतलब होता है तीसरा कनेक्शन, लाइक दिस, N नंबर ऑफ कैस्केड कनेक्शन. तो दिस इज द ट्रांसमिशन पैरामीटर. क्लियर? इसका आउटपुट इसके लिए इनपुट है, इसका आउटपुट सेकंड का आउटपुट थर्ड के लिए इनपुट है, थर्ड का आउटपुट फोर्थ के लिए इनपुट है, लाइक दैट. सो transmission parameter. So in n cascade connection, the output of one network acts as the input to the next, and so on. So this is the ABCD parameter, that is a transmission parameter. Answer is that. You can connect in series, right? So question number 9 is transmission parameter. Okay, question number 10. Question number 10. Conditions for symmetry in Z parameter. Condition for symmetry in Z parameter. Yes, Z11 equal to Z22. अगर आपका ये देखो ना, अगर आपका ये ऐसा है, Z11 2 3 2 है. सो यहाँ पर क्या होगा? Z22 कितना है? 5. Z11 कितना है? 5. सो Z11 और Z22 अगर इक्वल है, सो इट इज ए कंडीशन ऑफ सिमेट्री. सपोज करो यहाँ 2 ना होके 4 होता, सो 2 3 प्लस 3 5, यहाँ कितना होता 7. So it is not a symmetry. Symmetrically condition क्या है, this and this should be equal, right? So Z11 equal to Z22. Yes, P answer is correct. Condition for symmetry is what? Z parameter क्या है, Z11 equal to Z22. Question number 11. Question number 11. Condition of symmetry in ABCD parameter. Condition of symmetry in ABCD parameter. A equal to D. A equal to D. That is the answer. Correct. A equal to D. अगर A equal to D है, right? So this is the condition of symmetry in ABCD parameter. The two-port network is said to be symmetrical if the ports of the two-port network can be interchanged without changing the port voltage and currents. This will hold good if A equal to D. So condition, this is the symmetry, right? Question number 12. Question number 12. Y parameter. I have given the X. Okay. So we have to do it. We have to write Y parameter निकालना. ये कौन सा उसमें है? Actually हम पहले Z निकालेंगे, Z से Y निकालते. But अगर ये already pi network है, this is, you can say this is a pi network, right? This is the pi network. So it is better to go for KCL here. So this is the current I1, this is V1, this is V2. If this is V1, so okay, this is I1 and this is the I2. So please be careful about it. Whenever you are going to write the KCL, first find the number of nodes. How many nodes are there? 2. Or this is connected to ground. So assign the voltage. Let us say V1. यहाँ का voltage V1 है, तो यहाँ का voltage V1. This is V2, so this is V2. So first step is what? Assign the voltage. Second step what? Remark the current through each and every branch. I1 or I2 will be always given. It is both currents are incoming current from both ports. Let us say I3 here. This is I4. This is I5. Okay. Okay. Now KCL at node 1. KCL at node 1 क्या आएगा, इनकमिंग करंट इक्वल टू आउटगोइंग करंट. व्हाट इज इनकमिंग करंट? I1 इक्वल टू I3 प्लस I4. इनकमिंग करंट I3 प्लस I4. I3 क्या होता है? V1 इंटू IA. V upon R और 1 upon R is Y. So YA इंटू V1 प्लस I4 क्या होता है? V1 माइनस V2 इंटू YAB. V1 minus V2, potential difference V1 minus V2 into YAB. So I1 equal to what? I1 equal to what? I am getting I1 equal to YA plus this YA plus YAB into V1 minus YAB into V2. So this is what? Y11. This is what? Y12. I1 equal to Y11 V1 minus Y12 minus actually plus Y12, sorry, this is minus. Okay, so Y12 V2. Okay, so इसको नहीं लिखेंगे, ये माइनस हो जाएगा, right? Okay, now KCL at 2. KCL at 2. What is the KCL at 2? Incoming current क्या है? I2 plus I4. These are the two incoming current. This plus this equal to what? I5. So I will write I2 equal to I5 minus I4. I5 is what? What is I5? V2 upon V2 YB into V. I4 क्या है? V1 minus V2 into YAB. YAB into V1 minus V2. So you will get I2 equal to क्या है, माइनस वाई ए बी इंटू V1 प्लस वाई बी माइनस माइनस प्लस वाई ए बी इंटू V2. So just see here, this is y11, y12, y21 or y22. So you can say y a, this is correct, this is minus correct, this is minus correct, or this is okay. This answer A is correct. You can see, just check it. देखो आप, ये y a, सॉरी ये y, ये है y11 y a प्लस वाई ए बी, y12 कितना है माइनस, ये माइनस है, देखो माइनस, यहाँ प्लस है ना. This is the standard equation of, so y12 कितना है माइनस वाई ए बी, राइट. और ये आपका सेकंड इक्वेशन है, सो माइनस वाई ए बी, और ये y22 is this. So this answer A is correct, right? Answer A is correct. Question number 13. I am rubbing it. Question number 13. Yes, question number 13. Calculate the Z parameter Z11 in the circuit shown figure. Z11. What is the value of Z11? V1 by I1 when I2 equal to 0. Right? यही है ना. Z11 is what? Z11 equal to what? V1 by I1 when I2 equal to 0. इसका मतलब पोर्ट 2 क्या रखना ओपन. If port 2 is open circuited, अगर ये पोर्ट ओपन है, ये निकाल दिया हमने, पोर्ट 2 इज ओपन, इसका मतलब यहाँ कुछ करंट ही नहीं, कुछ नहीं है. दिस इज नॉट इन द सर्किट. सो 2 and 4 इन सीरीज, so 2 and 4 in series equal to 6 ohm, right? ये 6 और ये 2 in parallel, right ना. यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे because this is open circuited. Okay, so this is not in the circuit. So 2 and 4 in series, right? 6 ohm, 6, this 6 and this 2 in parallel. So 6 into 2 upon 6 plus 2, 12 upon 8, 1.5 ohm. So you will get this diagram, 1.51. This is V of S. Okay, this is I1. So Zs equal to what? V1 upon I1. कितना आएगा? Z11. Z11 equal to what? These two in series कितना? 1.5 plus 1, 2.5 ohm. So answer is B is correct. Question number 13. Question number 13. B is correct. Okay. Question number 14. I am going to solve. Question number 14. What is question number 14? Determine the Z parameter. Determine the Z parameter Z22 in the circuit shown in figure. Z22 in the circuit shown in figure. Okay. Z22 निकालना मतलब क्या होता है? Z22 V2 by I2 when I1 is 0. I1 0 मतलब port 1 is open circuit. Z parameter निकालना है. It is also known as open circuit parameter. So port 1 is open. Okay. इसका मतलब this is open. This is open. Open है मतलब 1 is not in the circuit. भाई open है तो 1 is a floating point, right? This is a floating point, so it is not circuit. So 2 plus 2 in series, this 2 and this 2 in series, right? So कितना आएगा 4 ohm. This 4 कहाँ connect है? यहाँ पर और यहाँ. और this 4 is also here and so 4 parallel with 4 equal value in parallel, it is 2 ohm. So यहाँ 2 ohm आ जाएगा, right? So what is the value of Z22 is 2 ohm. यहाँ अब यहाँ और इसको आप नहीं बोलना कि सर ये तो पैरेलल है, इन दोनों पॉइंट पे तो निकालना है Z22. Okay, so it is not there. So Z22 is what? 2 ohm. Answer 14 का C is correct. Okay. So this is the way. Question number 15. Question number 15. If two port network is passive, passive का मतलब होता है reciprocal. Passive मतलब reciprocal. Then we have with the usual notation the following relationship. Okay. If two port network is reciprocal or passive, then following relation कौन सा correct है? H12 equal to H21. Okay. H12 equal to minus H21. This is correct. B answer is correct. If this is reciprocal or passive, H12 equal to minus H21. Okay. So B answer is correct. Okay. Question number 16. If the two-port network is defined by the relation I1 equal to this, I2 equal to this, then Z12 is okay. ये जो दो इक्वेशन दिए हैं, I1 equal to what? I1 equal to what? Y11 V2 plus Y12 I2. Sorry, V1 or this is V2. Currents are represented in terms of voltage. देखो currents are represented in terms of voltage, and I Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2. So these are the Y parameter equation. So from here you can say, if you compare this equation, so you will get Y11 equal to 2 mho, Y12 this equal to this 1 mho, Y21 कितना है? Y21 equal to देखो 2, okay mho, and Y22 देखो I2 equal to 2V1 plus 3V2. So Y22 equal to 3 mho. Del Y is what? Del Y क्या होता है? Y11 Y22 minus Y12 Y21, right? Y11 into Y22, 2 into 3 6 minus Y12 कितना है? 1 and this is 2, so 1 into 2 2, so you will get del Y equal to 4. So I got del Y, determinant of Y equal to 4. Now क्या पूछा है? Z12 is what? Z12 होता है minus Y12 upon del Y. Y12 कहाँ है? Y12 ये है 1. So equal to 1 by 4, minus sign is there, minus 1 by 4. Yes, D answer is correct. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 का D याद रखना, you can find any parameter. Y11 equal to क्या होगा? Z11 होता है तो क्या है? Y22 upon del Z. Y22 कितना है? 3 upon 4 आ जाता, like that. ये कितना होता? Z11 पूछा होता तो Y22 upon आ जाता. Z22 पूछा होता तो Y11 upon 4. Y1 कितना? 2 upon 4, 0.5, like that. Okay. So I am stopping. I am rubbing it. Question number 17. Question number 17. question number 17. The Y21 parameter of the network shown in figure. Okay. So this is Y12. तो एक काम करता हूँ मैं पहले यहाँ पर एक I am going to draw I1. This is incoming current I1. This is incoming current I2. This is I3, I4, I5. Okay, so I had taken first step is what? Remark the voltage V1, this is V2, and this is V3. So first step is what? Assign the remark the node voltages V1, V2, V3, and remark connect. This is connected to ground. So first find the number of nodes. How many nodes are there? 1, 2, 3, and this is 4 connected to ground. Then as remark the node voltage is V1, this is V2 already is there, and this is V3, right? Remark the current through each and every branch, right? And then this is the question number 17. Okay, and then write the KCL. So what is the KCL? I1 equal to what? I1 equal to what? I3 plus I4. I1 equal to incoming current equal to I3 outgoing, and I5 is also going, sorry, I5. Okay, so I1 is equal to what? V1 minus V3 upon 2. V1 minus V3 upon 2 plus I5 equal to what? V1 minus V2, V1 minus V2 upon 3. So you will get, if you solve it, LCM लेने के बाद I1 equal to what? 5 by 6 V1 minus 1 by 3 V2 minus 1 by 2 V3. You will get equation number 1. Okay, so if you solve it, you will get this equation. This is I1 equal to. Now I am writing the KCL at node 2. This is KCL at node 2. KCL at node 1. Node 2. KCL at node 2. KCL at node 2 क्या होगा? I2 equal to I2 incoming. Oh sorry, I5, I6 भी करना पड़ेगा. So I5 incoming, I6 incoming, I2 incoming. So what is the value of I2 equal to minus I5 minus I6, right ना? भाई this plus this तीनों को सम करेंगे equal to 0. So I2 equal to this minus I2 equal to minus I5 बोलो, I5 कितना है? V1 minus V2 upon 3. V1 minus V2 upon 3 minus I6 बोलो, I6 क्या है? V3 minus V2 upon 2. Clear? If you solve this equation, so you will get I2 equal to what? Minus V1 by 3 plus 5 by 6 V2 minus 1 by 2 V3, equation number 2. I don't want this equation I1. I want equation in terms of V1, V2, but I don't want this V3 term. I don't want this. Clear? So from if you write the KCL at node 3, if you write the KCL at node 3, so I3 equal to क्या आएगा? I3 equal to I3 at incoming equal to I4 plus I6. Right now at this node you are writing the KCL. So I3 क्या है? Incoming, और I4 और I6 क्या है? Outgoing. So okay, so what is the value of I3? V1 minus V3, V1 minus V3 upon 2 equal to I4 बोलो, what is the I4? V3 upon 2 plus I6 बोलो, V3 minus V2 upon 2. So 2 will be cancelled everywhere. So if you solve it, you will get 3v3 plus v3 और ये इधर v3 माइनस वाला इधर आएगा तो 3v3 इक्वल टू ये v1 और ये माइनस उधर जाएगा तो प्लस v2. So we will get v3 equal to, you will get v3 equal to what? v1 by 3 plus v2 by 3. So this is the equation number 3, v3 की value. I am putting this value of v3 in both these equations, in both the equations. I will put the value of v3 in this equation also, in this equation also. Okay. So I will get I am going to solve the second from 2. I2 equal to minus v1 by 3 plus 5 by 6 v2 minus 1 by 2 v1 by 3 plus v2 by 3. Okay, so if you solve it, this equation, you will get minus v1 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. ओके, सो हमको इससे v1 टर्म से मतलब है, v1 कॉमन लिया माइनस v1 कॉमन लिया तो 1 by 3 और यहाँ से v1 कॉमन लिया तो माइनस 1 by 6 और माइनस कॉमन लिया तो प्लस हो जाएगा ये. सो यू विल गेट I2 इक्वल टू, उसको बाकी का टर्म मतलब नहीं हमको, तो माइनस 1 by 2 v1 I2 इक्वल टू, सो I2, सो ये क्या है 2 और a1, z21 सॉरी y21 कितना है, y21 is this, y21 equal to minus this. D answer is correct. थोड़ा lengthy है but that is the answer. Okay, so in this way you can solve the problem. Minus half. Yeah, they have asked this question in IES exam in 96. Question number 18. Question number 18 I am solving. 18, right. So the open circuit voltage ratio, open circuit voltage V2 upon V1 equal to what? Okay. So we know, suppose this current is I1, this current is I2, or this current is say I1. This current is I1 here. This is I2 and this is so what is the value of V2? V2 equal to what? V2 equal to, okay, first we will draw the transform diagram. Okay, so transform diagram क्या आएगा? Say 1 ohm. It is not given. I am assuming 1. Sorry, it is, forget 1. This is 2s. This 1 by s. Okay. This is V2. So what is the value of V2 equal to 1 by s into I2 of s? I am going to assume I2. Okay. Now this is the loop. Okay. This is the loop 2. So I am assuming I2 here. Okay. This is I1. I am assuming, forget it. Okay. So I am assuming I1. Okay. So loop 2. If you write in loop 2, क्या है this loop 2 में क्या हो रहा है, 1 plus 2s, I2 कहाँ फ्लो हो रहा है, 1 plus 2s plus 1 by s में क्या फ्लो हो रहा है, I2 in this loop. At the same time, this is a common branch. This is a common branch, right ना? So इसमें क्या फ्लो हो रहा है, I1. So इसमें I1 फ्लो हो रहा है, but it is upward, this is downward. So minus I1 into 1 equal to 0. So you will get I2 equal to okay, I2 into S 2s square plus S plus 1 upon S into I2 equal to I1. ओके एंड V1 इक्वल टू क्या है, V1 इक्वल टू व्हाट, V1 इक्वल टू यहाँ का करंट 1 इंटू करंट कितना है, ये लूप 1 है, I1 डाउनवर्ड है और I2 अपवर्ड है, तो माइनस I2. सो V1 इक्वल टू I1 माइनस I2. V1 equal to I1 minus I2. I have to find the voltage ratio V2 upon V1. तो यहाँ V2 में I2 only था, बट यहाँ पर I2 और I1 दोनों, तो I don't want, I want only I2. यहाँ I2 है तो यहाँ भी I2 चाहिए, तो एक काम करते हैं I1 की वैल्यू यहाँ पुट करते हैं. So you will get V1 equal to what, 2s square plus s plus 1 upon s minus 1 into I2. क्यों भाई, I1 क्या है, I1 in terms of I2 और यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी I2 -1 करेंगे तो you will get I2. So you will get 2 square plus s minus s कट जाएगा, so you will get 2s square plus 1, 2s square plus s plus 1 minus s upon s, ऐसा आ जाएगा because s कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, यहाँ भी s आएगा ना. Clear? So this is the value of I am getting I2 of s. Now this V2 upon V1, V2, so V2 upon V1 equal to क्या आएगा, V2 is 1 by s upon this 2s square plus 1 upon s, so we will get 1 upon 2s square plus 1, that is the answer, 1 upon 2s square plus 1. Okay, B answer is correct. So this is the question number 18. Okay, question number 19. Question number 19. With the usual notation, a two-port resistive network satisfied the condition. Okay, A, D, B, C दिया है, इसका मतलब ट्रांसमिशन पैरामीटर, राइट. सो और क्या निकालना है, Z11. ओ सो एक काम करते हैं, Z11 और ABCD पैरामीटर, मतलब हमको वी हैव टू राइट द इक्वेशन V1 Z पैरामीटर इक्वल टू क्या होता है, Z11 I1 प्लस Z12 I2, V2 इक्वल टू व्हाट, Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. Equation number 1, equation number 2, V1 and V2 in terms of I1 and I2. Clear? Similarly, transmission parameter V1 and I1 are represented in terms of A V2 minus B I2. Okay, V1 equal to A V2 minus B I2 and I1 equal to C V2 minus D I2. Equation number 3 and this is 4. So we have written the Z parameter equation, transmission parameter equation, right? Compare करना है, so from 4, from here, from 4. If you from 4, ये क्या है, V2 इक्वल टू क्या है, V2 in terms of I1 I2, यहाँ पर भी V2 I1 I2 है. So from 4 V2 इक्वल टू क्या आएगा, V2 इक्वल टू क्या आएगा, 1 upon C I1. V2 इक्वल टू क्या होगा, 1 upon C I1 और ये माइनस वहां जाएगा तो प्लस D by C I2. Equation number 5. So you can get, if you compare 2 and 5, if you compare 2 and 5, from 2 and 5, just here, Z21, V2 equal to Z21 I1, Z2 from 2 and 5. from 2 and 5. We have seen this theory also. Z21 equal to what? Z21 equal to what? 1 by C. Okay. And Z22 equal to what? D by C. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to put the value of 5 in 1. 5. I'm putting the value of 5 in क्या किया जाए? I'm putting the value of 5 in 3. Okay. So V1 equal to क्या आएगा? V1 equal to, if you put the value of 5 in 3, V1 equal to A. V2 की वैल्यू ये है. V2 equal to कितना है? 1 by C I1 plus D by C I2. Right now? Minus this BI2. Okay. So you will get V1 equal to what? A by C I1, A by C I1 plus A D by C minus B I2. I am getting this. So if you compare 2 and 6, so 2, if you compare 2 and 6, so क्या मिल रहा है? Z21 equal to what? Sorry, Z11 equal to what? A by C. Z11 equal to what? A by C. And Z12 equal to what? Z12 equal to what? This AD upon C minus B. Okay. Now क्या पूछ रहा है? A equal to D equal to this equal to this. Okay. What is the value of Z11? Okay. Z11 equal to क्या है? ये पूछ रहा है ना, what is the value of Z11? Z11 equal to what? A by C. So A by C. Okay. So this A equal to 4 by 3C है ना, तो A by C कितना होगा? 4 by 3. That is the answer. Z11. Z11 equal to what? A by C. So A upon C करोगे तो you will get directly 4 by 3. That is the B answer is correct. So without any doing anything, you will get the question number 19 का क्या है? Okay, you will get the answer. ठीक है? So that is the answer. B 4 by 3. And question number 20. I'm going to do it. थोड़े से लेंदी प्रॉब्लम है, डिफिकल्ट है, क्योंकि ये IES एग्जामिनेशन में पूछे गए हैं. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज स्लाइटली डिफिकल्ट, बट इफ योर कंसेप्ट इज क्लियर यू कैन डू इट. मैं सिर्फ 20 क्वेश्चन डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ, थोड़ा सा वीडियो लेंदी हो रहा है. ओके, सो आई विल डेवलप वन मोर questions here. Now 20, question number 20. If the two port network shown in figure has constant B equal to this, then ZS will be ZS. Z11 is what? Okay. Z11 equal to what? Sorry. Z11 equal to क्या है? This plus this 1 upon S plus 1. S plus 1 upon S. Z12 equal to Z21 equal to 1. This. And Z22 equal to क्या आएगा? ZS plus 1. ये तो directly if you write the KVL you will get this. Okay. So B is given, B मतलब transmission parameter is given. So can we use last problem directly कि इसके equation लिखूं मैं, equation नहीं लिखता तो directly you know. Okay, so पिछले वाले problem में आया था आपका equation. Okay, since from एग्जाम्पल नंबर 19 देख लो आप, प्रीवियस प्रॉब्लम, Z21 इक्वल टू था 1 बाई सी, 1 बाई सी, Z21 इक्वल टू 1 बाई सी, और Z21 कितना है इधर, Z21 कितना है इधर, 1 है, 1 है ना, Z21 इज 1, देखो यू कैन सी हियर, सो C इक्वल टू व्हाट, C इक्वल टू 1 आ जाएगा, राइट, C इक्वल टू 1, Z22 कितना है इधर, ये Z22 इक्वल टू 1 प्लस Z22 इक्वल टू व्हाट, कितना है 1 प्लस ZS, सॉरी Z22 इक्वल टू व्हाट, what is the problem, Z22 इक्वल टू व्हाट, 1 प्लस ZS इक्वल टू क्या बताया था लास्ट प्रॉब्लम में, D बाई सी, इक्वल टू D बाई सी, so you will get D, C equal to 1 है, so hence D equal to what, D equal to what, 1 plus ZS, what is the problem, one plus D by C, okay, so you will get D equal to 1 plus, something is wrong actually, 1 plus ZS, D equal to what, D equal to what, 1 plus ZS equal to, because C equal to 1, then Z11 is what, Z11 I got Z11 equal to what, यहाँ रब हो गया, Z11 we got S plus 1, S plus 1 upon S equal to होता A by C, A by C, so you will get A equal to, you will get A, C is 1 है ना, तो A equal to S plus 1 upon S you will get, and Z12, Z12 कितना है इधर, 1, 1 equal to क्या होता है, from transmission parameter A D upon C minus B equal to say 1, okay, so B equal to, so B equal to क्या हो जाएगा, B equal to क्या आ जाएगा, B equal to what, B equal to what, 1 plus AD upon C, जब वैल्यू पुट कर दो, इक्वल टू 1 प्लस दिस AD S plus 1 upon S plus S plus 1 upon S into ZS, okay, upon S, C equal to 1, C equal to 1 minus B, B equal to given. So if you solve it, you will get ZS equal to, if you solve it, you will get ZS equal to 1 by S. So मैंने रब में सॉल्व करके देख लिया है, but that is the technique. Just comparison is there, and after that you can get ZS equal to 1 by S. So I am getting the answer B. Okay, so actually I am slightly hurry, so that is answer B is there. Okay, please do it. First write the Z parameter, find it. Transmission parameter 19, question number 19 से हमने निकाले थे. Just comparison करके you will get ZS की value, right? So I am stopping here. Okay, and I am stopping here only. Then I'm taking only 20 questions here because this video is slightly lengthy. and I will develop one more lecture later on. Okay. So thank you very much for listening me carefully. This is the answers we have. Okay, you can check it. Thank you.